Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if your DVD or the SD card is not showing on your Windows, so this video sorry I will show you how to fix this issue. So fixing this issue is very easy. If the CD DVD is not showing up here, what you can do is you can open your device manager simply, and once you open the device manager you need to go to this option DVD CD ROM, and if it is disabled like this, I don't have the disable option here, but you should have that option. You need to just enable that option and your issue should be fixed. Additionally, you can update your driver. If this is not working, choose here the latest driver here and then click on next and close it, and you may have to restart the Windows if that is not working for you. So this is a quick solution guys. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.